Hello and welcome to Orchids 365, and thank you for joining me this fine day. And I'm going to do an unboxing, a very wet unboxing from my friends at Orchids by the lake. So without further ado, here's what happened. I was waiting for this to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived a day early and it was raining cats and dogs, and you cannot imagine. And I never saw the notification until this morning. So this was swimming in my front porch. Look. But luckily they are orchids, so they should be fine. I'm gonna try to put stock pictures of the blooms if you would like for when I'm done, so you can see. He has this amazing Cattleya that's a cross with the Fushu Glory, an amazing Thailand rainbow, and it's kind of like that holiday one with the stripes mixed with one that looks like it's been tie-dyed, and I couldn't resist it. So oh my, I'm doing this out here because of the wow, it really, they're not thirsty, that's for sure. They got watered in the box. That's okay. Oh, poor baby, she'll be fine. Look how cute, my little Fushu Glory with Thailand rainbow. I have to make this quick because once the mosquitoes get a hold of me, that's it. Game over. Let me do this because then I'll unwrap them later. So that, just want to get them out of this soggy box. Okay. Just want to make sure there's no tags or papers or anything in any. This is my first unboxing that I have to do with such a wet box. Yay. All right. Of course, the mosquitoes are here to say, oh no, I hate it when this happens. See, because now when I take this off, I'm gonna take the name off because it's wet. Ay. This should be fun. Oh man. Okay, I'm keeping the tape on there because I don't want to. There you go. See, this one stayed, but this one. There you go. I don't remember if this is one of the ones that I ordered or if Yoshi snuck something in there. But once I put the pictures and I go, I'll try to use his stock pictures from their store so you can see exactly what I got. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me just put this right over here. I need to practice saying that name. That's why I stayed quiet. Prostichia prismatocarpa. Look at the size of that mosquito. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that in the video. Anyway, let me put this over here. Line them up real cute. Ay. Ooh, this is a big baby right here. This must be the Maxillaria division. As I saw here, yep, it is. Maxillaria variabilis black. Because I love maxillarias. I have a little maxillaria corner where I have the Max, which I lovingly call, and his sister Yamada, and then a small Kata, I think it's called. I'll show you later. And then when I saw that he had a black division for sale, I was like, I must add this to my little Max corner. Yay! That's a big little. You heard me? It's early. I still need coffee. Division. Maxillaria variabilis black. Look how cute. I'm gonna get those little bulbs all plumped up when I'm done with you. So, this. And oh my goodness, so much soggy paper. Okay, very well packaged as usual. Ouchies. I don't know. Okay. Whew. Please stop biting me. All right. Anywho's, oh my goodness, poor baby. Oh, this is the one we talked about, the loose neries. He was sold out, and then he said that he couldn't sell this one because it was accidentally a little sunburnt, and he just tossed it in there. I volunteered to try to nurse it back to health because, I'll take my chances. See, there's the rootsies are so happy. See that? Look at those rootsies. I'm pretty sure that I can nurse this baby to health. I'm willing to take the challenge. Okay, so here you have my new little babies that I ordered. I'm gonna try to show you pictures, and I wanted to share because I'm gonna end up putting probably one of these in here. I've been working on designing small little pots for vandas and to use indoors or outdoors in orchids, and this is one of my prototypes. And of course, you know me, rainbows, unicorns, everything sparkly and shiny. So I tried it with this PLA filament. The design on the software takes a long time to perfect. We've been working on it since November. Me and with my ideas and my visions, and my husband teaching me the technology part of it. So it takes a team, and I started establishing some of my plants in these outside. And so far so good. I'm probably going to share that in another video. If you'd like for me to share, please let me know in the comments. These are done and ready. So this is one that I plan on using for my vandas. And to tell you the truth, I mean, that would be adorable. And there's another design that perhaps is a little bit unique. And these again are 3D printed, and the material is PLA. And PLA is actually really good because it's derived from corn. Most of the time from our corn plants, so it's biodegradable and safe for our planet, not bad plastic, right? So yeah, with that being said, I have a few outdoors, and if you'd like me to share with you the other models that I have for the other different kinds of orchids, it's something I'll probably be doing seasonally. I'm still going to work on ornaments and orchid earrings and all the other stuff I love making, but I think in the spring I may launch a few, you know, very affordable, very versatile pots that I'm designing around the needs of specifically growing in my environment, and for some that are going inside that I want to look pretty, and I'm bringing my designs to life. So yeah, that's Orchids 365, and they're not listed yet. I haven't showed anything. This is the first time that I actually do show. I also have a Vanda sleeve that I have over there, and a few others that I have established in my pots. So yeah, next time I plan on sharing them with you, and I would love your feedback, guys. So with all that being said, thank you for sharing this unboxing with me. Thank you, Orchids by the Lake, for your beautiful plants, and I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend ahead and a safe one. So stay kind, be safe, happy growing, and catch you all next time. Bye.